Anthropic just dropped Claude Opus 5, its fourth frontier model in 8 weeks, which means Anthropic now slops out new models faster than JavaScript developers slop out new frameworks. In May, we got Opus 4.8. In June, we got Fable. Then we lost Fable. Then we got Fable back. Then Sonnet 5. Now Opus 5. At this point, Anthropic's release calendar has more plot twists than a telenovela. Opus 5 can write your entire app from a single prompt, but fixing a 404 error on the homepage, that takes 6 hours and $300 in credits. It solves string theory, but couldn't find a missing semicolon. Elon says we're living in the singularity, and by 2036, money won't even matter anymore, and robots will be doing all the work. This is the same man who said we'd have humans on Mars by 2018. We're still waiting, bro. The bootstrapped indie hacker is now an endangered species. Devs are using AI to build AI tools that replace devs who build AI tools. It's turtles all the way down, except the turtles are writing TypeScript and crying. And yes, this video was probably written by an AI. But don't worry, it only cost me $300 in credits to fix the 404 in the script. It is July 2026, and you're watching the AI Report.